dear viewers of our channel. In this video, we present a wire bending machine that works with various metals, including spring wire, stainless steel, non-ferrous metals, titanium, and others. The machine processes wire with a diameter from 0.5 to 2 millimeters, ensuring high precision. The wire feeding accuracy, specifically in forward pulling, is 0.07 millimeters, while the bending accuracy is 0.6 degrees. The machine is equipped with servo motors and precision planetary or hypoid reducers, which ensure this level of accuracy. The number of transmissions has been minimized. The structure is based on a classic 2D configuration with a table inclined at 35 degrees. The machine has a passive coil holder and is available in stock at our facility in the basic configuration. Dear viewers, we have shown many videos about our equipment, but we haven't often discussed the options that can complement our machines. Let's go over the main ones. The first option is a welding robot for bending machines, providing automatic butt welding of the wire. The next option is an edge beveler, suitable for wire diameters from 3 millimeters. This is a chamfering device that operates in CNC mode. Another option is the installation of a control and adjustment unit for torsional twisting of the wire. There is also an option for a motorized coil holder. It includes a motor and a control cabinet that operates based on wire tension without affecting the CNC system. This is especially relevant for machines with high feed rates. Another option is a system of pneumatic clamps and support mechanisms that assist in forming large flat or three-dimensional parts. The pre-feeding unit option includes additional motorized rollers to facilitate loading wire from a new coil into the machine. They are controlled by a remote and are not connected to the CNC. The final option is the ability to customize the machine to your needs. We will help you choose a kinematic scheme and technology to optimize the production of your part. Which options do you need? Let us know in the comments. We're interested to hear. As for the software, our machines and robots are equipped with universal software that offers 3 main task setting modes. The first mode is using a graphical interface for direct machine control, where the operator controls all machine functions and sets the required digital values. The second mode allows creating G-code on another device and uploading it to the machine. The third mode enables G-code generation and editing directly in the software. Additionally, there are 2 optional modes. The first is G-code generation for the machine in graphic simulation mode. This option allows you to see the machine and its working elements in a 3-dimensional, scalable view on the screen. You can virtually add the necessary tooling, set the wire size, and create a program, G-code, to perform tasks without using the actual machine. This can be done on any computer, not only on the CNC. This approach separates the work of the engineer who creates programs and can do so remotely from the operator working directly on the machine. Thanks to this, one operator can manage several machines at once. In modern production, it's common for one operator to work simultaneously with multiple machines, using programs created by engineers or technologists. The second optional task setting mode is uploading DXF files from other CAD systems. Simply upload the file, and the machine software will open it, displaying it on the screen for the operator to see how the drawing has been processed by the system. The operator can edit the contour, choose methods for forming arcs, pushing, bending, or rolling for each arc individually, and set a cutting point for closed contours. After that, the machine automatically generates the G-code and begins operation. This is the fastest way to set up a task. What additional features would you like to see on such machines for your production needs? Please write about it in the comments. We always read and respond. Dear viewers and colleagues in metal manufacturing, we wish you professional growth, success, and new achievements. Best regards, ElectroTorg EMC Production Company.